guys, Natasha Tessier here, owner of Dwell Realty and Design. I'm a top producer here in Houston, running the Living in Houston YouTube channel. When you call, you just get me. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that aren't local and aren't even licensed. So when you call the number below, you're gonna get my cell phone and only work with me. I'm not gonna shoot you off to another agent. Today, I'm out in Wood Forest, and I'm in the Noble Green section of Wood Forest. And this is a luxury section of Wood Forest, quarter acre, even half acre lots. Start in the low 800s and go up to almost 2 million. And this particular home is done by Huntington Homes. They are a high-end builder, semi-customizable. So a lot of the builders that you see, you can't customize anything. The plan is what it is and it's set. Here, you can take a variety of plans and customize it to what you and your family need. So it's really, really cool. This particular home has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 1 story with a study, a media room, and on a large lot. So let's go check this one out. Okay, so I'm walking into this gorgeous Huntington home. Study right here on the right. Nice and bright. Gorgeous front, steel front doors. Okay, so coming down this hallway, you can see all the wood detailing. You've got solid hardwood floors instead of tile. Really cool media room right off the living area. You can see there's paneling, just a lot more detail in the Huntington home. So as you walk back here, you've got your open concept. You've got this cool sitting area near the fireplace. High ceilings. I would say 12 foot high if I were guessing. We've got all sorts of warming drawers. You're not going to find that in a lot of the other homes. You've got all your soft clothes. Very customized. You've got glass cabinet, glass lighting. Great range. Pantry. You've got a nice living area again. Trim detailing everywhere, which is really, really cool. Huge Kohler farmhouse sink. These are going to be drink from cafe drink storage, which is great. Right in the middle of the kitchen. Literally everything you'd ever need here. So you've got your dining. I love how open concept it is. We'll walk back here towards the master. Lots of storage closets everywhere. All these little closets that you see are just storage closets. Gorgeous master, nice high ceiling. Again, trim detailing all over the room. Nice bumped out bay window, sitting area. And then you've got your bathroom. So you've got a huge tub here. Under cabinet lighting, lots of details that you're not going to find elsewhere. So here you've got a huge closet with built-ins everywhere. That's going to connect back over to that section, assuming that's got your shower, double shower head. So you can see when you get up into this price range why there's so much more detail put into the homes. That's the master. Check out this outdoor sitting area. nice covered area, quiet. You've got a gas fire pit over there. It's got cameras. And then you've got your dining and a sitting area out here, which is great. Let's head towards the front of the house. So you've got this bedroom right here off the front. Not a super big room, but it's got a nice walk-in closet. And then you've got a cool, every room has an ensuite. So its own bathroom, which is very nice. Towards the front, we went by the media room here already, and the study, but this bedroom was off to the left when you walk into the front door. Again, nice high ceilings, not a super big bedroom. There's one more bedroom towards the back. Okay, so right here off your kitchen, you've got a little drop station and your laundry room, which is cool because the master closet is just right there. That's why they put the door in there, so that you could just come in and get your laundry right through here, which I love. And then there's another bathroom. Again, lots of trim detail. And then this is a huge bedroom here. Nice high ceilings. It's got a really cute little niche. And then it too has its own ensuite bathroom. Closet here. So that's the tour of this guy. Very, very pretty home. Please always fill out the form below. I'm happy to help you. Call me, text me. I do want to mention that when you call me, you call me. I don't have a team. I don't just create leads and send them to other agents, that you only work with me. So I would love to help you out. If you're planning on moving here, reach out below, and I hope you have a blessed day.